Now the next one. We are talking about the definitions, the users, from where this accounting came from. What's the history behind this? Okay. From the very beginning of human civilization, when there is no society, when people used to live in jungles, right? They don't even know how to talk. They don't have any norms or behaviors regarding human civilization or how to live a life. That from that time, accounting actually has begun. How? Um, if I survive beginning, people used to keep record like the bark of trees, or um, they just use the numbers and give a dot on the trees or walls, or in the caves on the stones they used to write or give a mark to keep the record. Then people started live together and make a society. After that, they have a houses, and they have some agricultural activities they involved over there. That time, they keep records on the walls, making a lines at their home, on the walls at their home, and sometimes make a knot in with the help of the rope. But still, this is not actually sufficient, right? So later, when the great revelation come, there is a science and technology come. People you live a standard life. They became educated, and everything became advanced. That time, small businesses started. That time, an Italian person or mathematician called Luca Pesilio, he wrote a book that's called Summa di Arithmetica Geometrica Proportionia di Proporzionalità. That's the Italian language. If you want to convert it in English, that's called knowledge of the collection of knowledge of arithmetic, geometric, proportion, and proportionality. That person in that book included everything that how we were gonna record. That time it's called bookkeeping. Bookkeeping. Okay. So bookkeeping under the double entry system. Double entry system. The system is called double entry, but the name is that time accounting's name is actually bookkeeping. So what's bookkeeping? Everything over there that identifying, measuring, recording, then financial position making, everything include there that time. But that's also not enough, After the advancement of science and technology, people used to start living a life more adventurous way, more advancedly. Small businesses getting bigger, and they actually need the more advancement of accounting. That time accounting came. That's called accounting in a double entry bookkeeping system. Okay, so this is basically the summary of the whole history of accounting. Then after that, as I told you, Summa di Arithmetica Geometrica Proportionia di Proporzionalità. This person is a Luca Pasilio, and that's the book. We can't even read whatever is written, but if I want to translate in English, that's called the collection of knowledge of arithmetic, geometry, proportion, and proportionality. Over there, everything has been explained through the bookkeeping under the system of double entry. The system is called double entry, and the name was that time bookkeeping.